Welcome to an immersive walking tour of one of the most iconic engineering marvels in the United States, the Hoover Dam. As we embark on this journey, we'll delve into the fascinating history and remarkable facts surrounding this monumental structure that straddles the border between Nevada and Arizona. Constructed during the Great Depression in the 1930s, the Hoover Dam stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Spanning the mighty Colorado River, it was originally named the Boulder Dam but was later renamed in honor of President Herbert Hoover, who played a significant role in its development. The sheer scale of the Hoover Dam is awe-inspiring. Stretching 726 feet or 221 meters high and spanning 1,244 feet or 379 meters across the Black Canyon, it was once the tallest dam in the world and remains an engineering masterpiece to this day. But beyond its impressive dimensions, the Hoover Dam serves a crucial purpose. It provides hydroelectric power, water for irrigation, and helps to control flooding along the Colorado River, ensuring the prosperity of the surrounding regions. Our journey begins at the Hoover Dam Gift Shop on the Nevada side, where we'll set foot on this historic landmark and traverse its length, taking in breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. From there, we'll venture to the Hoover Dam Exhibit Gallery, where interactive displays and exhibits offer insight into the dam's construction and significance. Lastly, we'll ascend to the observation deck, where panoramic vistas await, offering a bird's-eye view of the dam and the vast expanse of Lake Mead, the reservoir formed by its construction. Join us as we step back in time and explore the engineering marvel that is the Hoover Dam, a testament to human innovation and determination. Let's begin our journey across this iconic landmark, spanning the border between Nevada and Arizona, and uncover the secrets held within its towering walls.
получается, где машина кэш, и оно это втирает, потом вытащит.
That looks crazy. Move really quick. Okay.
I want to go to the other side.
That looks cool.
I tried to go up there. Got this.
Oh, there you go. Wow.
It's all right. Yeah, yeah.
from your head to your toes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Where'd you get that? I like that. That's what I need.
It's Insta 360. I got it from where did I get it? Amazon.
Okay. Yeah, that's nice.
$450.
Okay, that's nice. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Yeah, it takes 360 videos, and then you can just edit on your computer.
Mm-hmm.
So you can just put it like that, and then on the computer you can just edit. You can just take this part or that part.
What's it called again?
Insta 360, like I said, Instant 360.
Instant 3. Okay, I see it.
Instant
Instant 360.
360.
I'm gonna look that up. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So they're gonna take a picture.
They're supposed to be a job for my husband when they start building. Hoover Dam is dedicated in 1935. Visitors from Brussels and Sweden run to artificial skies, immense sun, and the recreation community of the But the Colorado River has unpredictable periods of low flooding and drought. This made living near the water difficult and often dangerous for the people who depended on it. In 1902, the federal government created what became the Bureau of Reclamation. It would manage the water flow and cut small family farms.
It's the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below. Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men that perform some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, chipping away at the rock. They worked the walls to their solid foundation to prevent the natural rock from falling on the workers below. It has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the future is limitless, that we have in our grasp the power to achieve anything if we can but summon the will. Thank you for coming and seeing one of the 10 most honored construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you wish. The next presentation is located across the street at the flagpole.
Once we get out of this building, we can give you a sample. Okay? So just well, that's for this next one.
I hope you've enjoyed immersing yourself in the rich heritage and awe-inspiring beauty of the Hoover Dam. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow explorers who share a passion for history and adventure. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the wonders of our world. Thank you for your precious time, and we'll see you on the next adventure.